Is Bitcoin gearing up for a massive run to 80,000, or are we about to see a deep market correction? Please watch the full video. Currently, the BTCUSD 1-hour chart shows that we are at a significant crossroads. Looking at the overall market structure, the higher timeframe remains firmly bullish, characterized by a consistent series of higher highs and higher lows. We have seen multiple breaks of structure to the upside, confirming strong momentum. However, the short-term picture suggests a period of cooling off. After tapping the major supply zone near 78,000, we saw a sharp rejection, and price is now forming a lower high, indicating a temporary pullback or consolidation phase. To navigate this effectively, we must respect key technical zones. On the upside, we have a heavy supply zone between 77,500 and 78,500. This area is capping the price as sellers remain active. On the downside, our immediate demand zone sits between 73,800 and 74,200. Below that, we have even stronger demand waiting near the 71,000 level. The market is currently ranging between 74,000 and 77,000. In our bullish scenario, if Bitcoin can break and close firmly above the 77,500 resistance, it opens the door for a continuation towards 78,000, 78,800, and eventually the psychological 80,000 mark. Conversely, the bearish scenario becomes high probability if price fails at resistance and breaks down below the 74,000 demand zone. This could lead to a swift drop towards 72,500 or even 68,500. Advice is to wait for a definitive breakout or breakdown for high probability entries. Please follow for more. The next analysis is coming very soon.